కింద బెల్ కనిపిస్తుంది కదా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. మీకు మంచిగా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ వస్తాయి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ కమెంట్ కూడా చేయండి.
Hi, this is Shivani. I started with my career, I started as a model, and I wanted to do more. You know, after so many years of modeling, it just came to a saturation point, and I wanted to do films. And this, I think, Ye Mantram Vaseve was the perfect opportunity for me. I think, in so many ways, the kind of character that I got to play, and. Yeah, I've been doing so many things. I was a model. I was hosting shows. I think I'm also a great writer, but I haven't written anything as big as a film. I think it takes a lot of dedication to do that, like Sridhar sir. And yeah, I've just been so blessed to come in contact with this wonderful team that I happen to work with, and. I think I couldn't have been more blessed. So this is me. That's it. Speaking about the film, it was a very tiresome schedule because there were chase scenes. It was shot outdoors mostly. And it was a lot of fun because of the kind of warm people that I was surrounded with. And of course, there was a lot of heat, so temperature-wise. And I had a lot of fun working with Vijay because he was always pulling my leg. He was fun to work with, and he purposely did that on, because he knew that it would irritate me. But he was pleasant to work with. Sadly, he's not here right now, and but I wish I would have met him. But right now, I'm just so excited to be here. I just arrived this morning, and I'm just happy being a part of this project, which was so, because this was cultivated with a purpose in mind. This was not just, a film made to make some money. No, I think so much went in because Mr. Sridhar, he came up with the story himself. He made sure that he has everyone under one roof, even when so many things were against us, like the conditions were not favorable. Even then, we happened to work together somehow. He made the team into one, and I think that was the best part of it. I've just been, I'm very grateful that I'm doing this, and especially now, today that I'm here talking about it, is a blessing in itself, and I need you guys to bless me. Come and watch the film. I need blessings from all of Telangana. I need acceptance, and I hope you guys enjoy the film. That's all I can say. My character, I'm really excited because being a young girl, most of the girls want to be portrayed as beautiful, sexy, and like everybody would fall in love with them. And falling in love is great. I mean, I would love to be in love all the time. And we are at all points, we're surrounded by love. But what I'm saying is that it is important to be in love with yourself. And this girl is about that. I think she's so self-confident that she's intelligent. She's not a charmer on purpose. But I think just because she's so in love with herself that she's unapologetically herself. So I think anyone who would come in her contact would love her. And she's very endearing, very sensitive, just not in the regular coy way that, women are portrayed. Because there are strong women, there are women like our mothers who, against all odds, women who are, I've seen, like my own house help, I'm sorry I'm bringing this, but her husband left her, but she's supporting a child. She's a strong woman. She's sensitive. She's loving, but it's just kind of different, right? So I'm just happy to play that character because I think it's just a little off from what you see regularly. And very intelligent girl, but always has room for sensitivity and has an emotional side to it, but that's not on the surface. So I think you'll have to watch her to know her better.
Hi, this is Nitya Menon.
Hi, this is Isha Rebba.
Hi guys, నేను మీ నిఖిల్ని.
Hi, this is Bhumika. For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
Latest updates, subscribe.
Subscribe.
IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.